For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most important scientific instruments ever placed into orbit. Since its launch in 1990 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, it has transformed humanity's understanding of the universe in ways few could have imagined. Designed to operate far above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble escaped the blurring effects of air and weather that limit ground-based telescopes. From its vantage point in orbit, it captures images of space with extraordinary clarity, revealing a universe sharper, deeper, and more dynamic than ever before. At the beginning, its mission seemed straightforward. Hubble would observe distant galaxies, glowing nebulae, and the faint remnants of the early universe. Scientists hoped it would help measure cosmic expansion, study stellar birthplaces, and map structures billions of light-years away. But over time, something unexpected happened. Hubble became far more than a deep space observatory. It evolved into one of humanity's most powerful tools for studying our own solar system. With its stable orbit, precision optics, and the ability to revisit the same targets year after year, Hubble began revealing something remarkable: that our solar system is not static. It is alive. Planets shift. Storms grow and vanish. Surfaces change. Atmospheres evolve. Instead of a quiet collection of frozen worlds, the solar system emerged as a place of constant motion and transformation. Many of these worlds remain only partially explored. Space missions are rare, expensive, and often brief. A spacecraft may visit a planet once, gather data, and then disappear into the void. But Hubble does something different. It watches. From hundreds of kilometers above Earth, it quietly returns to the same worlds again and again, sometimes over decades. Its greatest strength is not speed but patience. Unlike flyby probes that capture a few fleeting images, Hubble builds a long-term record of change. It allows scientists to witness time unfolding across the solar system. Of course, the telescope is not without limitations. It was designed primarily to observe distant objects, not nearby ones. Its field of view is relatively narrow, meaning extremely large objects close to Earth cannot always fit within a single image. Our own Moon, for example, appears too large in the sky for Hubble to capture in full detail at once. Instead, missions like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter provide high-resolution maps of the lunar surface. Yet even here, Hubble has contributed in unexpected ways. In 2012, during a rare transit of Venus across the Sun, scientists faced a challenge. Observing the Sun directly would risk damaging Hubble's sensitive instruments. So they did something ingenious. They used the Moon as a mirror. Sunlight passed through Venus's thick atmosphere as it crossed the Sun. That filtered light then reflected off the Moon and traveled back to Hubble, where it was carefully analyzed. By studying tiny changes in the light's wavelength, scientists were able to identify chemical components in Venus's atmosphere, confirming the dominance of carbon dioxide along with trace gases. More importantly, this technique became a blueprint. Today, the same method is used to study atmospheres of distant exoplanets orbiting other stars. A clever workaround inside our solar system became a tool for exploring the entire galaxy. While the Moon presents challenges, Mars is nearly a perfect target for Hubble. From its distant perspective, the telescope can capture full disk images of the planet, global views that orbiting spacecraft often cannot achieve at once. Over the years, Hubble has monitored seasonal changes on Mars in remarkable detail. It has tracked the growth and retreat of polar ice caps, shifting cloud formations, and the rise of enormous dust storms. One of the most dramatic events occurred in 2001, when a massive storm expanded until it engulfed the entire planet. For months, the Martian surface disappeared beneath a swirling veil of dust. Observations like this revealed just how dynamic and unpredictable Mars can be, insights that are crucial for robotic missions and future human exploration. Hubble has also turned its gaze toward Mars's largest moon, Phobos. Phobos orbits extremely close to Mars, completing a full revolution in just over 7 hours. But its fate is sealed. Tidal forces are slowly pulling it inward. Scientists believe that in tens of millions of years, Phobos may either crash into Mars or break apart, forming a temporary ring system around the planet. By observing this gradual orbital decay, Hubble provides clues about how moons evolve, and how they eventually disappear. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky remnants from the early solar system. These objects are ancient, leftovers from a time when planets were still forming. Hubble has shown that many of these asteroids are far more complex than once believed. Some unexpectedly develop comet-like tails, even though they contain little ice. In several cases, this activity appears to be caused by sunlight itself. Over time, solar radiation can alter an asteroid's rotation. As the spin increases, loose material is flung into space, creating streams of dust. These discoveries revealed something surprising. Many asteroids are not solid rocks at all. They are fragile, rubble piles, loosely held together by gravity. In one remarkable observation, Hubble captured the aftermath of a collision between two asteroids. The impact produced a strange X-shaped cloud of debris, a visible reminder that the solar system remains a violent and ever-changing place. Farther from the Sun, the giant planet Jupiter dominates with its immense gravity. Often described as a cosmic shield, Jupiter can capture or deflect comets and asteroids that might otherwise threaten the inner planets. This role became dramatically clear in 1994, when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 collided with the planet after being torn apart by its gravity. Fragments slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere at incredible speeds, producing massive explosions and dark scars visible from Earth. Hubble observed the event in extraordinary detail, revealing the immense energy released by such impacts. It was a rare opportunity to witness planetary violence on a cosmic scale. Hubble has also studied Jupiter's powerful auroras, vast glowing displays far larger than those seen on Earth. These lights are created when charged particles interact with Jupiter's massive magnetic field, producing brilliant emissions near its poles. Among Jupiter's many moons, one stands out, Europa. Beneath its icy surface lies a global ocean of liquid water. Hubble has detected evidence of water vapor plumes erupting from Europa's surface, suggesting that material from this hidden ocean may occasionally escape into space. Chemical signatures within these plumes include sodium chloride, common table salt, indicating that Europa's ocean may resemble Earth's seas. This discovery has strengthened one of the most exciting possibilities in science: that life might exist beyond Earth. Meanwhile, Hubble continues to observe Saturn, especially after the end of the Cassini-Huygens mission in 2017. Without a spacecraft in orbit, Hubble has taken on a critical role, tracking storms, monitoring atmospheric changes, and watching seasonal shifts in Saturn's rings. It also provides rare long-term observations of the distant ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These worlds have been visited only once by spacecraft. By comparing images taken years apart, scientists can study their evolving weather systems and atmospheric behavior, something no short mission could achieve alone. Over more than 30 years of operation, the Hubble Space Telescope has exceeded nearly every expectation placed upon it. Its discoveries have reshaped astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science. Even today, alongside newer observatories, it continues to deliver valuable insights. With careful management, it may remain operational well into the 2040s, not as a relic, but as an active partner in exploration. The universe is vast, dynamic, and filled with unanswered questions. And through its steady, unblinking gaze, Hubble has revealed something profound. Even the worlds we thought we understood are still changing. Still evolving. Still full of mysteries. Every observation carries the possibility of surprise. And after decades of watching the sky, one truth has become clear. The cosmos is not silent. It is alive with motion, energy, and transformation. We simply have to look closely enough to see it.